morning, good morning. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitter. Good morning, Instagram. How's everybody doing today? It's the November 4th. We have NFP today. Um, seems like there's been a relative play that we could possibly get into, but I'm a little skeptical on it. We haven't answered nothing yet at this point. Just gonna be patient. So this is the daily candles. My goodness, we have a huge rejection on the hourly. That looks crazy. It's kind of hard to determine what's going to happen with news just because, I feel like we have a good possibility of trying to potentially retest this area over here, relative like 690 or even, 160 or 1678. We could retest these highs before we start flooding down to the downside. Now, if I was to infer on what's going to happen for during NFP, to be honest, I don't have as much knowledge or much experience to be able to tell you guys exactly what could happen because I'm still trying to learn myself every single day. Um, but with non-farm employment rates coming in here at 7:30, we should see some extremely volatile movement. um, and in my experiences, when candles are like this, printing bearish looking like this, at times, news events come in and the candle flips instantly and just, pushes to the top side, etc., etc. I'm not gonna lie, boys and girls. I'm not feeling so good for some reason. I don't know why. I feel like I feel kind of nauseous this morning. I feel like I feel kind of off. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna just gonna be here every single day, try and do my best. But yeah, I'm not feeling too good though. To be honest, I don't know why. I don't know why I don't feel so good right now. Excuse me. My goodness. I'm not gonna lie to you, I gotta take a breather real quick. I don't know why I'm feeling so nauseous right now. My goodness, bro. Hey, my apologies, sir. Forgot about that. Had my mic was muted. Definitely appreciate you letting me know, Aja, man. Very good to see you too, my bro. Let's try and make the best we can today. We had GJ forming a slight support here. I was considering buys at the point, but we got 9 minutes till the candle closes. Now we're starting to form bearish. We do have NFP, so we have the unemployment news coming in um, very soon. Very delicate situation we're in right here when it comes down to gold. I've been trying to explain relatively here. My mic was muted, so my apologies about that. But looking forward here, as I'm looking at gold, something just tells me we're gonna flip. Something tells me that this candle, it's gonna print off. Boom, we're gonna start shooting to the top side. I can easily see 1664.88 being hit. I'm gonna be really patient on buys up until we break right there 1653.55. We can break past that candle and break past that wick during, because I'm going to be looking to enter in impulsive entries. Yeah, so we're definitely going to be trading during news. I'm looking to enter a position. um Got to be very careful here because with news events we know that there's very high spreads, and a whole lot of factors that play in that are relatively against us. So we got to be the best we can and get the best entry we can to secure profits as quickly as possible. Because my thing is, I'm trying to get anybody in the trade as risk-free, quick as possible. As soon as we're up 10, 15 pips, we're gonna move our stop loss break even, and at that point, whatever happens, happens. If it hits our if it hits our stop loss at break even, it hits our stop loss at break even. But main thing is, we were able to maintain a profitable position. So, looking to do that here today. So we got 7 minutes. I mean, 7 minutes seems like it's going by for freaking ever. GJ still just chilling down here. We have a bunch of rejections down here. So yeah, if you guys want to take a look here, we got Canada's unemployment rates, and then we got obviously United States non-farm employment changes and unemployment rates. So we should see a lot of volatility in the markets today. I'm a little nervous, but you know what I'm saying. At the same time, feeling good, feeling ready to go. Um, Now, when you say that, Ijaman, what exactly is that, buddy? I'm not sure what that is. The time frame watermark. Is that like where you see the charts, the right here, like on like the hourly and the ticker? Is that what you're talking about? Or it says like, for instance, like right here, it'd be like GBPJPY 30-minute. Is that what you're talking about? Cause low-key, I've been trying to turn that on. I just don't know how to do it. Cause that would definitely help my viewers understand. Cause like up here, you can see the um the candle. There's a 30-minute candles chart right up here, but unfortunately you can't really see the actual currency pair. Yeah. So let me see how I can do that real quick. Let me go on my settings. Mm, Hmm. Yeah, so Ijaman, click on watermark. watermark. Ah, very, very, very cool, bro. Thank you so much. Yo, Eisenman, my boy. Thank you, bro. I've been trying to figure that out for a minute now. Super clutch. I really appreciate that. Let's see if I can, yeah, that looks good. Alright, so we are definitely closing bearish most likely on this candle here. Yeah, hell yeah. This would definitely help out my viewers. Thank you so much, Isaac, man. I really appreciate that comment. Putting it down there helped me get this watermark down. It definitely help out the viewers understand what charts I'm looking at all times, especially time frames. Makes it a lot easier on the eyes to look at it that way. So thank you so much, bro. Really appreciate that. Let's try and do our best here, though. We got 3 minutes, man. Whoa. 3 minutes. With 3 minutes, I'm not gonna lie, boys and girls, it gets real tricky because obviously, like, fundamentally, like, sales look like the best idea at this point because we have been closing two 30-minute candles below that resistance and we are bearish. But like I said, I feel like I've seen it too many times happen in the past, man. I just feel very strongly that NFPs and unemployment rates are just gonna switch gold and we're gonna start pushing to the top side. So I just gotta be real delicate, real ready to or excuse me, not delicate. I got to be fluid in the markets. I got to be ready to change bias at any point, depending on what price action is going to tell me. Because at this point, uh, we're looking bearish, but with this 2 minutes left in this candle, I mean, I can easily see. I just really hope spread didn't go too crazy. Obviously, it most likely will. We're already at 2 pips right now. Um, if you guys don't know, right here on MT5, this shows you your spread. This right here is by points. So whenever it says 10 points, that's just 1 pip. If it says 15 points, it's a pip and a half. 20 points, that's 2 pips. So I'm really hoping we can kind of stay down on the spread because that's gonna make it real difficult. Pound yen is now pushing down quite substantially at this point. Gotta be careful with pound yen just because of how many rejections we do have. We have some pretty massive 30-minute rejections, so it's like sells are pretty risky. Hey, and Isaac, man, it's also great seeing you again, bro. It's good seeing you again on the stream, man. I see that you're waking up early. Wherever you are in the world, it might not be in the morning, but either way, you're still being disciplined to come here. So far every day during New York session, so it's really good to see that, man. All right, boys and girls, we got 30 seconds. Price so far is continuing to the downside. 20 seconds. I might just see it, let this play out. I'm gonna get everything relatively ready. I got necessarily playing out for buys right now. I'll see. So we're definitely in sales. So okay, so perfect. Nobody, hopefully no one entered nothing at this point. So spreads are now going crazy at this point. Probably not gonna enter. I'm just getting my stuff ready at this point. I'm trying to stay away from any FOMO. Clearly, like I said before, was more of a strong bearish. Very cool, bro. Bangladesh. I like that, bro. That's a dope spot. Um, but yeah, like I was trying to tell you guys though, I was anticipating more of a push to the top side. My recent NFP, I had very similar moment like this. I entered a sell. The candle flipped on me instantly. Pretty much made me stopped out break even almost instantly, or not even break even. Just hit my stop loss. So like in a moment like this, boys and girls, it's best just was just wait it out, let the move play out, and then depending on what happens, if we either get a super big push to the top side or we get a super big push to the bottom side, let's look to you know what goes down must come up, and what goes up must come down. So we'll try and look to get up on those retracement plays, if anything, because as of right now, I just don't like entering with spreads being so high. It's really gonna fuck us in the end. Um, yeah, you're not gonna get the best entry with spreads this high. Um, the opportunity I did have before, and I'm being honest, I just didn't want to take the risk because I felt pretty iffy on, it just coming straight to my stop loss. But if we would have made something more like this, selling it off right here, boom, obviously we went straight to profits. Uh, Clearly, I didn't want to take that risk though personally. Being that Friday, I just felt a little nervous about it. I felt like we had a good high chance of flipping. So I wanted just to stay patient and stay out of it. Really important right now is that we don't catch FOMO. Obviously, price is moving really crazy. The last thing we want to do though is hop on these charts and just think, wow, I'm going to go ahead and you know buy this shit or whatever it may be, sell it off just because it's starting to push. We just gotta stay calm in these markets. Yeah, yeah, that's definitely true. That's definitely true. Let's go ahead, see how it's looking so far. So it's in there just a little bit less, like 2% less than it was the last time. Wow, isn't that crazy? That'd be crazy if we actually get this push. If it breaks this, I am from Kansas City, my friend. I am from Kansas City, Missouri, United States, baby. Kansas City, Missouri, in the motherfucking middle of the motherfucking country. But yeah, man, being an American, man, I'm not gonna lie, dude. I love the world, man. I really do. I gotta say I do, for real. I like every place, man. I mean, I know there's tension with Russia and shit like that, but man, I honestly gotta be honest, man. I think the architecture out in Russia look fucking pretty fucking dope. I'm not gonna lie, they look like crazy ass little palaces. Look like you're in Aladdin out there. I think that shit looks dope. I love the Middle East. You know what I'm saying? I love their culture. I like the way that shit looks, man. I love, South America, all that shit, man. Took out all the liquidity. You're not lying, boy. All that liquidity built up here on the bottom side, man. It just smoked the motherfuckers, boy. We might end up pushing to the top side because we had taken that liquidity. I'm weak as hell, bro. That's smart. You know exactly what's going down. They took out all that liquidity down here, boy. Just to grab it, and they might be starting to come back up with it. But we'll see, though. Right now, we haven't steady to the downside still, so far. Oh, that's pretty major, though. Pretty major. And Eisenman, have you done any maybe any traveling outside Bangladesh yourself, brother? Have you maybe traveled to the United Kingdom or anything like that? I personally have not done any of those things. I've only been uh pretty much United States, bro, for real. Um I'm excited to get my money up those while we're in Forex, cause then I get the better we do, the better we get, more abilities we have to travel and stuff like that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like it, man. Let's definitely be patient. So like I said, I do got this kind of like set up right now. Like if it does play out, I'm not like 100% expecting it will, but if it ends up playing out, I'm probably gonna go ahead and enter in. I want to have about a 15 pip stop loss, maybe a 25 pip stop loss. Yeah, man, I feel you, bro. Don't even worry about that, bro. I'll be in the same situation, man. I haven't traveled much other countries myself. One day though. Spreads are still relatively high right now, so it's still a little nerve wracking. But if we can break past that, I can see it working out. Probably have like a 20 pip stop loss on this. I'm gonna go ahead and enter the buy at this point. It was very risky. I'm gonna 50%. Probably if I go like 8 pips drawdown. As soon as we hit 10, we're up 10 right now. Stop loss break even. Risk free trade. Relatively quick position. I 50% it already. Don't want to risk kind of too much at this point. As soon as I hit 10 pips, ladies and gentlemen, I 90% in my account or my position at that point. So now we are very, very low risk. Eisenman was very, very quick. I hope you was able to catch the same play. I didn't give the best analysis beforehand. I kind of should have maybe give a little bit better letting you guys know. I felt like I did okay at that. But I do hope the best at this point. If you guys have gone up 10 pips in your guys' position, please have your stop loss at break even, and let's try and do our best, you know what I'm saying, to just let this ride out. I have secured 90% of my position at 10 pips profit. I want to make sure I secure most of it at that point because that's all I'm really looking to get in these markets. I'm not looking to be, I don't want to be undisciplined and I'm trying to catch 100 pip plays every day, 50 pip plays. Yes, I am, man. So very, very good. Eisenman, I'm gonna be getting this thing here soon, where it's gonna show you my actual magic keys. It's gonna have this on the screen, and you're gonna see like what buttons I click on there. So, um, that's definitely the goal of mine. My next like investment to update the stream. I gotta update the stream too with like my live chat where all my actual chat goes on that. But it is definitely Magic Keys, my friend. If you do not have it, I would highly recommend. If you got an Instagram or anything like that, definitely give them a look up. Um, Magic Keys has been, I can't even, yeah. Oh my God, bro. Eisenman, bro. The day you get Magic Keys, bro, everything, your whole trading, bro, will get so much better because everything is so much more quick. I can move my stop loss instantly by the click of a button. If I want stop loss breaking, boom, stop loss breaking. If I want to close 90%, I close 90%, boom, I just hit a button. And, we're done. So, like I said, right here, ladies and gentlemen, the play was actually very, very quick. It's very important, especially trading gold or anything with news events. I gotta be honest, man. I don't think I'd be anything as good as a trader as I am, or anything like that. Disciplined, whatever, whatever. For Magic Keys. Magic Keys has been a tool of mine that I couldn't trade without it. To be honest, I really couldn't. And I say, man, I'm relatively an amateur trader. I'm trying to apply all the lessons and stuff like that I have learned through Capital Hungry, Raha Banks. I don't know if you know them, but if you don't know them, man, check them out, bro. Because man, you can go on. They've inspired me. Raha Banks, he does New York session trading. He used to do it every Monday through Friday. Now he does it like Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But it's because he's gotten so good. I'm weak. Well, hey, if there's no ladies in Bangladesh, no worries, bro. There's a bunch of women in the world, so don't worry, bro. We just gotta focus on ourselves. You'll get there, man. But regardless, though, bro, hey, tap in with Raha Banks, man. Raha Banks, bro. Capital Hungry. Those guys, I will say, give some great information on how to trade. Um, and I'm always gonna give credit to the guys that have taught me how to do things. I'm not the kind of guy to be like, oh yeah, I've learned everything my own. I did everything myself. XYZ. This is my trading strategy. No, these are not none of my. This is just regular price action. Everybody should know type shit. But it's just focus on fundamentals, economic news, uh, a whole bunch of things. But yeah, like I gotta say, man, man, if you ever really want to get that real good knowledge, man, tap in with Raha Banks and Capital Hungry. Gonna be Raha Banks is gonna be. So one of my buddies ended up buying the market fluidity package. I ended up buying the market fluidity package myself, Very, very, very helpful. It helped me get to the trading, helped me feel confident as I am in the markets as of right now. Still got a lot to learn. Still got to keep progressing every single day. I'm not gonna say that I'm the best, anything like that. Still got a lot to learn. Um, but at the end of the day, what I was gonna get to describe to you was that Raha Banks is gonna be dropping a new course that's just like the market fluidity, but it's gonna be more condensed, more organized, um, just more well put together. And he should be dropping that sometime in December. I'm not exactly sure how much it is. It could be relatively expensive, but it's like for the amount of knowledge that you're gonna get in it, it's not as expensive as like now I don't know how it is in Bangladesh, but in United States, oh my god, to go to college is fucking ridiculous, bro. It's like hella fucking money, bro. Too much fucking money to even really like. If you don't know what you're doing in college, bro, you might as well not go to college because you're gonna put yourself in debt. You're gonna be like 20, 50 bands in debt. So fuck that. You know what I'm saying? So when I looked at whenever I was going to school and they was telling me like, oh, you know, if you want to go to university, bro, your grades ain't that good, so it's about to be like, 20 bands for a semester. I was like, yo, what the hell? So I said no to that shit. And then I started looking into other things, and when I saw like a package could be like $500 or $600, I was thinking in my head, shit, that's what a book be costing for a school, you know? So I was like, if I just spend the money on this dude's course, you know, check it out, right? But yeah, let me show you though, bro. Let me show you. This guy's got to be the most legendary guy I've ever seen. Oh wow, he was right there too. Oh wow, he traded this too. So he went live as well. Streamed 8 minutes ago, so he's already been hopped off. He probably caught the same position we caught today. But yeah, man, this guy right here, wow, I'm not gonna lie, dog. I love this dude, bro. Like, no gay shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This dude, he's so fucking intelligent, bro. Like,
I have a challenge for all of
hold
you.
on.
Go to every computer in your house, your mom's, your dad's, your sister, your brother's computer.
Man, what the hell? Do you agree with the man? So as you can see, I'm trying to emulate as much as I can as him. Super big inspiration of mine. He trades with magic keys as well. He's already up 20 pips already at this point. In his position, he was obviously hopped in on this stream, was already in it.
Anticipated price to go up over here with volume pre-New York and price went up. How do you like Call of Duty? I think it's pretty good. Absolutely.
So yeah, if you guys ever want to look into, look into him, man, he's a great guy to look into. I would definitely look into that. He's always definitely helped me out in any of my trading ambitions. So check him out. I'll show you another guy to check out as well. Capital Hungry though, he helped me out understand a lot when it comes down to economic news, macroeconomics, everything like that. This guy is amazing too. So I'm a scalper. So if you like to watch anything, like if you like to scalp anything like that, man, I'm telling you, bro, this guy is also super key. Let's just see this real quick.
Don't trust just your setups. This is why I said it's important to learn as much as you can. You have to go and also study the mathematics of risk management and probabilities. Don't just trust your setups, your analysis, and your potential trade ideas you're looking to execute on, but also trust the math of probabilities and risk management. What I'm trying to explain is, if you focus, whether you're a scalper or day trader, of having a minimum risk versus reward ratio that you target of 1 to 3, any higher being better, but the higher you go, the less potential attainable it may be with the various market conditions and opportunities that are available to you. But if you focus on on a positive risk versus reward ratio, 1 to 3 plus, and not just focusing on having a winning streak or having a high win rate, at the stretch of 10 to 20 trades,
we caught a very
even if you
profitable
lose
position
40%
today.
of them,
So,
you're going to be profitable.
Looking good so far.
Don't trust just your setups.
Appreciate it, bro.
This is why.
But yeah, bro. So like I was saying to you earlier, Aja, man, Lorenzo Corralo. Lorenzo Corrado. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Hey man, this guy looks like he knows what he's doing as well. Hey, bro, and I'm not gonna lie, super big help, dude. Eisenman, I really appreciate you helping me out. Those watermarks, bro. Everybody has that. I noticed that. You in Capital Hungry, bro. He's got those watermarks on there just so like, everybody can see. Um,
With Wells Fargo, you know where you stand with your credit score. What if you knew where you stood
yeah,
with
bro.
everything?
But
Cats.
I hope your parents like
definitely
me.
appreciate you
Can they tell I'm allergic?
giving me your
Welcome
information
to the
too. You
family.
know, stuff that you
Know
looked
where
up
you
into
stand
and
with
stuff
your
like
credit
that.
score at Wells Fargo.
No mames, bro. Hella
Hey
ass.
Google, take a selfie.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
What's happening, family? I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. I thought it's time for a new video. And what kind of video?
So already what I'm liking from this dude already is that he's got the dollar index put up next to USD CAD, so I'm sure he's gonna make some type of inference with the dollar, what's going on with that being bullish to what's gonna happen with CAD. I feel like that's already a
Could
good
I
idea.
better make than explaining a completely new strategy I have been testing for the last couple of months already. So just a quick test it for yourself and come up with your own conclusions for there. So with that said, let's go over the analytics real quick right here. As you can see, I'm mainly focusing on the Euro basket and the dollar index right there. And then
Holy boys. Wouldn't that have been lit if we could have held that? We got stopped at a break even, but no worries, you know? It just is what it is. It's how trading has to be sometimes. But it was a very, very great play regardless. But Eisenman, great time spending with you, bro. I'll probably look into a little bit of more of Lorenzo Corrado. Dude has a Mexican ass name, bro, for being as white as he is, but it don't matter, I guess, right? He looks like a United States or a United Kingdom guy, but the nigga has a hella Mexican ass name. But that's what's up though, man. Regardless, hey, I got no hate on nothing, bro. I hope every page these motherfuckers win, bro. Straight up. I ain't got no hate in my heart. I just hope every nigga win, cause that's all that matter, bro. We just gotta just be smart within the markets, man. But Eisenman, bro, I appreciate you typing in with my stream today. I think at this point it's Friday. We've already caught one profitable position. At this point, I think I'm going to just go ahead, hop off the stream. Impulsive entries right here at this point played very successfully. Unfortunately, the position got stopped at a break even, but oh yeah, no, most definitely. I'll go ahead and check out that video for sure, buddy. I'm gonna go ahead and get myself ready, get myself a little breakfast. Over here in Kansas City, Missouri, it is 7:49 in the morning. So, I'm sure you can actually see that right here. I didn't even realize, but yeah, it's 7:49 over here in Kansas City. Trying to get a little breakfast in my stomach, and yeah, just pretty much have a good rest of my day. But bro, I'll definitely check out that video, man. You sent me. I always like kind of expanding my knowledge and keeping my mind open to things. But Eisenman, bro, thank you so much again, bro. I appreciate you tapping in with the stream today. I'm looking forward to seeing you get a Magic Keys, Brody. And I can't wait to hear whenever you get that Magic Keys, whenever you get it set up, man. If you have any questions, bro, you need help, you know, with how to set it up, you know, I can do my best to help you out with that as well. Like I said, Eisenman, you have a great rest of your day, bro. I hope you enjoy your weekend, bro. Hey, I hope you get a little lucky this weekend, maybe with the females. I know you said there's no females in Bangladesh, Brody, but there's got to be some beautiful women out there for you, bro. I know there is. But until then, bro, we just got to be confident in ourselves. We have to be confident in our own abilities and just increase our value as a man every day. If we do that, the women will come, bro. The women will come. But, hey, bro, just have a great rest of your day, bro. My goodness, bro. God bless. Take it easy, bro. I'll see you guys on Monday, okay? Everybody.